Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of solid-state drives, specifically tailored for enhancing your HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop experience. And we've got an exciting contender on our hands: the Fanxiang S101 512GB Ssd Sata III. If you're looking to turbocharge your HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop's performance, look no further. The Fanxiang S101 SSD boasts impressive features that make it stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk speed. With read speeds of up to 550 megabytes per second, this SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and snappy application launches. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to seamless multitasking. But speed isn't the only thing this SSD has to offer. Its 512GB capacity provides ample storage space for your games, media, and applications, allowing you to keep everything you need right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk durability. The Fanxiang S101 SSD is built to last, thanks to its 3D NAND TLC chips. These chips not only offer a longer lifespan compared to QLC alternatives but also provide reliable data storage for years to come. And let's not forget about compatibility. Whether you're using a desktop, laptop, or all-in-one PC, the Fanxiang S101 SSD has you covered. It's compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, ensuring seamless integration with your device. Now, I know what you're thinking: what about peace of mind? Well, worry not. The Fanxiang S101 SSD comes backed by an extensive 3-year warranty, providing you with enduring assurance and confidence in your purchase. So, there you have it, folks. The Fanxiang S101 512GB Ssd Sata III is not just any SSD, it's the ultimate upgrade for your HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop. With blazing fast speeds, ample storage space, and rock-solid durability, it's a game-changer in every sense of the word. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy upgrading!